To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Retirement wealth and a gold IRA, better than day trading stocks? The pursuit of a comfortable and secure retirement is a cornerstone of modern financial planning. For decades, individuals have diligently saved and strategized, aiming to accumulate enough wealth to sustain themselves through their golden years. In a world of fluctuating markets, economic uncertainties, and the ever-present specter of inflation, the question of how best to build and protect retirement wealth becomes increasingly critical. Traditional investment avenues like stocks and bonds have long been the go-to options, but in recent times, alternative assets, particularly precious metals like gold, are capturing significant attention. Among these alternatives, the Gold IRA individual retirement account stands out as a compelling option for savvy investors looking to diversify and safeguard their retirement nest egg. This audiobook delves deep into the world of retirement wealth building, specifically contrasting the strategy of investing in a gold IRA against the highly speculative and often volatile practice of day trading stocks. We will explore why, for the vast majority of individuals seeking long-term financial security in retirement, a gold IRA presents a significantly more prudent and potentially rewarding path compared to the risky roller coaster of day trading stocks. While the allure of quick profits may tempt some towards day trading, a comprehensive understanding of the risks involved, coupled with the inherent stability and long-term value proposition of gold, strongly suggests that a gold IRA is not just better, but a far more responsible and strategically sound approach to building and preserving retirement wealth. The siren song of day trading, a mirage of riches? Day trading, at its core, is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, with the aim of profiting from short-term price fluctuations. The rise of online brokerage platforms and readily available market information has democratized access to day trading, making it appear like an accessible avenue for anyone to generate income and build wealth rapidly. Social media platforms and online forums are often rife with anecdotal success stories, painting a picture of day traders effortlessly raking in profits from the comfort of their homes. However, this glossy veneer often obscures the harsh realities and inherent dangers of day trading, especially as a primary strategy for retirement wealth. The pitfalls of day trading for retirement savers: extreme volatility and risk. Day trading is inherently a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. Market fluctuations, even minor ones within a single day, can dramatically impact the value of traded assets. This volatility is amplified by the leverage often employed by day traders, where borrowed funds are used to magnify potential gains and losses. For retirement savers, who are generally seeking to preserve and grow their capital steadily, the extreme risk associated with day trading is fundamentally misaligned with their long-term goals. The very nature of retirement planning necessitates a focus on capital preservation and steady growth, qualities diametrically opposed to the speculative nature of day trading. One wrong trade or a series of unfortunate trades can wipe out significant portions of hard-earned savings, jeopardizing retirement security. Time commitment and skill requirement. Successful day trading is not a passive activity. It demands an enormous time commitment, requiring constant market monitoring, in-depth analysis of charts and technical indicators, and rapid decision-making. It's essentially a full-time job, often requiring more than just standard working hours to stay ahead of market movements and news cycles. Furthermore, it necessitates a significant level of skill, knowledge, and experience. Understanding complex trading strategies, interpreting market data, and mastering risk management techniques are crucial for even attempting to be a consistently profitable day trader. The vast majority of individuals planning for retirement are not financial professionals and likely lack the time, expertise, and temperament needed to navigate the complexities of day trading successfully. Assuming that one can simply dabble in day trading in their spare time and expect to generate consistent retirement wealth is a dangerous misconception. Emotional roller coaster and psychological toll. The constant pressure of making rapid trading decisions under volatile market conditions takes a significant emotional and psychological toll. The fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead to impulsive trades, while the stress of losses can trigger emotional reactions that further compound mistakes. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. The emotional highs of wins can be addictive, but the lows of losses can be devastating and demotivating. For retirement savers who need a stable and dependable path to financial security, the emotional roller coaster of day trading is simply not conducive to long-term well-being and financial stability. Retirement planning should be about reducing stress and uncertainty, not amplifying it through high-pressure, emotionally taxing activities like day trading. Low success rate and statistical odds. Statistical evidence overwhelmingly demonstrates that the vast majority of day traders lose money. Numerous studies and industry reports have confirmed that only a small percentage of day traders are consistently profitable, and even among them, sustained profitability over the long term is exceedingly rare. The market is a highly competitive arena populated by institutional traders, sophisticated algorithms, and experienced professionals with access to superior resources and information. Individual day traders are often at a significant disadvantage, attempting to compete against these giants with limited resources and expertise. Relying on day trading as a primary retirement strategy is essentially betting against the statistical odds, a gamble that most individuals planning for their financial future cannot afford to take. Opportunity cost and focus diversion. Time and energy spent on day trading could be more productively channeled into other, more reliable and sustainable wealth-building activities. Focusing on day trading can distract from crucial long-term financial planning aspects like budgeting, saving, diversified investing in traditional assets, and exploring more stable alternative investments. The opportunity cost of chasing quick profits through day trading can be substantial, potentially hindering the development of a robust and diversified retirement portfolio. Furthermore, the psychological focus on short-term gains in day trading can detract from the long-term, patient approach necessary for successful retirement wealth accumulation. The golden anchor. Why a gold IRA offers stability and security. In stark contrast to the turbulent waters of day trading, a gold IRA offers a haven of stability and security, particularly valuable for individuals prioritizing the preservation and growth of their retirement wealth. A gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold bullion, coins, and other approved precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement account. This provides a tangible and historically reliable asset class within the framework of a retirement savings plan. The enduring appeal and strategic advantages of gold. Hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Gold has long been recognized as a reliable hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be devalued by government policies and economic fluctuations, gold maintains its intrinsic value. As the purchasing power of paper money erodes due to inflation, the price of gold tends to rise, preserving and even enhancing wealth in real terms. In an era of increasing global economic uncertainty and concerns about inflation, gold's role as an inflation hedge becomes even more critical, for retirement savers seeking to protect their accumulated wealth from the corrosive effects of rising prices. Furthermore, gold acts as a hedge against currency devaluation. If a country's currency weakens, the value of gold, often priced in US dollars, can increase in local currency terms, offering a buffer against currency risk. Safe haven asset in times of economic turmoil. Throughout history, gold has served as a safe haven asset during periods of economic and geopolitical instability. When stock markets falter, geopolitical tensions escalate, or economic crises loom, investors often flock to gold as a store of value, driving its price upwards. This flight to safety phenomenon underscores gold's role as a reliable diversifier and a protective shield against market downturns. For retirement savers who are particularly vulnerable to market volatility as they approach retirement age, allocating a portion of their portfolio to gold through a gold IRA can provide a crucial layer of downside protection and peace of mind. Diversification and portfolio risk reduction. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investment strategy, and gold plays a vital role in portfolio diversification. Gold exhibits a low or even negative correlation with traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. This means that when stock and bond markets decline, gold often performs differently, potentially rising in value. By including gold in a retirement portfolio, investors can reduce overall portfolio volatility and mitigate risk. In a diversified portfolio, gold acts as a counterbalance, helping to cushion against losses in other asset classes and enhance overall portfolio stability and resilience. Tangible asset with intrinsic value. Unlike stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies, which are essentially paper or digital assets, gold is a tangible physical asset with intrinsic value. It has inherent worth that is not dependent on the performance of any particular company or government. This tangibility and intrinsic value resonate deeply with investors seeking a sense of security and permanence in their investments, particularly when planning for retirement. Gold's enduring appeal stems from its historical significance, its limited supply, and its diverse industrial and aesthetic applications, all contributing to its inherent and lasting value. Long-term store of value and wealth preservation. Gold has been a store of value for millennia, maintaining its purchasing power over centuries. While the price of gold can fluctuate in the short term, its long-term trajectory has historically been upward, particularly in periods of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures. For retirement savers with a long-term investment horizon, gold offers a compelling avenue for wealth preservation and long-term capital appreciation. The focus of a gold IRA is not on short-term speculation, but on the gradual and consistent accumulation of wealth that can withstand economic cycles and preserve its value over decades, aligning perfectly with the long-term goals of retirement planning. Tax advantages within an IRA structure. A gold IRA offers the same tax advantages as traditional IRAs, allowing for either tax-deferred growth, traditional gold IRA, or tax-free withdrawals in retirement, Roth Gold IRA. This tax-advantaged structure enhances the long-term growth potential of gold investments within a retirement portfolio. The ability to grow gold investments within a tax-sheltered environment significantly amplifies the benefits of gold ownership for retirement savers. Gold IRA versus day trading stocks, a clear choice for retirement security. When placed side by side, the contrast between a gold IRA and day trading stocks as retirement wealth-building strategies is stark. Day trading is a high-risk, time-intensive, and emotionally demanding activity with a low probability of success for most individuals, especially in the context of retirement planning. It is akin to gambling, seeking quick and often fleeting gains through constant market speculation. Conversely, a gold IRA offers a strategic, prudent, and historically reliable approach, focusing on long-term wealth preservation and stability. It is a patient strategy, aligned with the long-term nature of retirement planning, leveraging gold's inherent qualities as a safe haven, inflation hedge, and diversifier. Practical considerations for establishing a gold IRA. While the benefits of a gold IRA are compelling, it's important to understand the practical aspects of setting one up and managing it. Choosing a custodian. Gold IRAs are self-directed IRAs, and you'll need to choose a reputable custodian specializing in precious metals IRAs. These custodians handle the administrative aspects of the account, including storage, reporting, and compliance with IRS regulations. Thoroughly research and select a custodian with a proven track record, transparent fee structure, and excellent customer service. Funding the Gold IRA. You can fund a Gold IRA through rollovers from existing retirement accounts like 401ks or traditional IRAs, or through direct contributions, subject to annual IRA contribution limits. Rollovers are a common method for diversifying existing retirement savings into gold. Selecting approved gold products. The IRS has specific regulations regarding the types of gold and other precious metals that can be held within a gold IRA. Generally, this includes gold bullion bars and coins that meet minimum purity standards, such as those issued by government mints. Secure storage. Ensure that the gold products you purchase for your gold IRA are IRS approved, often referred to as IRS approved bullion. Secure storage. Physical gold within a gold IRA must be stored in an IRS approved depository. These depositories provide secure insured storage facilities for precious metals. You cannot store gold IRA assets at home or in a safety deposit box, as this would violate IRS regulations and potentially trigger tax penalties. Fees and costs. Gold IRAs involve fees for custodian services, storage, insurance, and potential transaction costs. Understand the fee structure of your chosen custodian and factor these costs into your overall investment strategy. While there are costs associated with a gold IRA, they are often outweighed by the long-term security and diversification benefits that gold provides, particularly compared to the hidden costs and potential losses associated with day trading. Conclusion. Golden stability trumps speculative gambles for retirement wealth. In the quest for retirement wealth and security, the choice between a gold IRA and day trading stocks is not a close contest. While day trading may offer the tantalizing prospect of quick riches, it is a high-risk, low-probability strategy unsuitable for the vast majority of retirement savers. The statistical odds are stacked against individual day traders, and the emotional and psychological toll of this high-pressure activity is often detrimental to long-term financial well-being. A gold IRA, on the other hand, presents a fundamentally different approach, one rooted in stability, diversification, and the enduring value of a historically reliable asset. Gold's role as a hedge against inflation, safe haven in times of crisis, and portfolio diversifier makes it a strategically sound addition to a retirement portfolio. A gold IRA provides a pathway to build and preserve retirement wealth through the measured accumulation of a tangible asset, offering peace of mind and a bulwark against economic uncertainties. For individuals serious about building a secure and comfortable retirement and who understand the importance of long-term wealth preservation over short-term speculation, a gold IRA emerges as a decidedly superior choice compared to the risky gamble of day trading stocks. Choosing a gold IRA is choosing stability over volatility, security over speculation, and a well-charted path to retirement wealth over the treacherous and often illusory allure of day trading. It is a choice that reflects a long-term perspective, a focus on preservation, and a commitment to building genuine, lasting financial security for the years to come. The golden anchor of a gold IRA provides a far more reliable foundation for retirement wealth than the fleeting and often deceptive siren song of day trading stocks. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know. All the best to you.